Welcome this video. Build a rustic gardening bed with wood. A step-by-step guess. A rustic gardening bed is a smart and effective way to grow vegetable herb or flower. It's you want more controlling over soil quality and pets. Both rustic gardening are popular here. Natural look of construction and cost effect. Whether you bring or a seasoning gardening, build your wood rustic gardening bed is format project that can be complete in just a few hours. Here are everything you need to know to build your own benefit of rustic gardening bed. Before jump into the protection project, its work not rustic gardening bed are so effective. Elevate salt allow water to during more easy, better soil quality. By controlling the sub campaigns warm up faster in rustic gardening, which is idea plants less built and keep make it perfect for people with limited mobile. Step by step installing. Select, choose the right location. Pick that receive its little 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Its level and hand good during. If you build over gardening, hub consider over a few inch layout. Cardboard, weak for growing thing. Cut and perfect the wood. If your wood is not only cut the size